Hey, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this Christmas nail design. Now, before I begin, y'all, this video was a struggle. I am not left-handed, so this was just, it was tough. But I'm like trying to push myself to do more nail designs, and especially with my non-dominant hand, because I feel like it's going to just make me better. So I decided to do something that wasn't, it was simple, but just not super simple. So whatever. So I applied this gel coat twice. It's very sheer, but I kind of like it for the foundation. And then I just kind of had like in my mind, this was going to be half red, half white. And I was going to do like some little design in between, and this bow. I wanted to make this 3D bow, okay? So this is what was going through my mind when I started. But like I said, I'm not left-handed, and that line was driving me crazy. I kept smudging. Then I was like, okay, girl, do a little French, half line. And yeah, I'm just not steady. So I was like holding my hand weird ways. It just wasn't working. So if it, we just gonna do the whole nail red, okay, y'all? Just letting y'all know now. Just do the whole nail red. So I decided to do a couple of French nails. As you can see, y'all, starting off real sloppy. It was real sloppy, y'all. This was just a really tough set for me to do, but this probably would have taken me 10 minutes to do it if I would have been working with my other hand, but it ended up taking me an hour. So because I edited so much of this video and I sped up so much of this video, this was a mess, but I continued. I persevered. So on this set, I am just doing my little French, okay? And then I was like, I don't really like the U shape, but I felt like maybe if I add something else, I could, kind of make it work. And then for this nail, I really want to do plaid. I don't know why, I just had plaid in my mind. I was like, I'm going to do a big red stripe, and then I'm going to do like white and black and silver for the plaid. But I could not get my line straight. So, y'all, I just was like, rewind, remix. So I was like, maybe I can do some candy cane. At this point is when I decided these nails were going to be candy cane nails. So at this point, I wanted to do candy cane nails with a big like bulb or either a bow, some type of Christmas ornament. This is where my mind is going. So I'm using the Makartt solid glue gel, the same one that I used to apply these nails. I was like, maybe I can use it kind of like a 3D gel. I don't know. This is literally what, like, y'all are just watching me kind of go through this. So one thing I love about the gel is excellent adhesive, but clearly it is not good for any 3D art because it starts to get kind of sticky. It started sticking to my finger, then it rolled off, and then it started sticking to the wood stick. It just was a mess. So I did off camera continue and then cure it, but it never cured to the right consistency. It's kind of rubbery. So at that point I was like, whatever. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let y'all watch me work and continue to struggle through this set. When I got done, I decided I just wanted to give it a little bit more pizzazz. So I came through with this silver gel polish and just kind of added some little lines. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but I was able to take a couple little pictures and you can see it a little bit better. My hair just kept getting in the way. Sorry about that, y'all. So I'm just going to add some little lines with this metallic-y silver. Today, all of these gel polishes came from Amazon. It was in a kit, actually, so I'll leave the link in the description box. Everything was in one kit except for that nude color I used at the beginning. So yeah, y'all, this was a really creative set. I'm really proud of myself for not giving up because I was getting super frustrated when I was working, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, my phone died. So actually I thought I had lost the footage, but by the grace of God, Apple has, come through for me and it backed up everything. So I was able to retrieve my video. So I just wanted to, push myself, and this is the final result. So let me know what you guys think of this set. If you like them, drop some red and white hearts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.